What is up, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video. I'm in my room now. I did roll over my car. I honestly don't remember exactly what happened or anything of the accident. There's a couple of things that I kind of remember, but they're telling me it's not true. So maybe it's just my mind playing tricks on me. But I did come out of surgery. I broke my arm and dislocated it, so they fixed that. Got some bruising on my right eye, my right leg, but overall I think I'm good. They say that I'm okay to go home, but they're just waiting to see why I get so nauseous as soon as I eat something or as soon as I move. So I think as soon as I stop getting nauseous, then I'll be able to go home. But just wanted to make a quick video. If I can take some more footage later, I will. If not, I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe out there. Stay safe. Hospital food. Honestly, it's really good. Maybe because I haven't eaten in 2 days, but it's really good. Well, food. Watching Fast and the Furious. Honestly, I mean, you can't complain. Like, they taking care of you, and honestly, the food's kind of good. So, you know, I know it looks so bad. Let me put it on this end. I'll see you guys soon. Official day 3, but day 2 breakfast. Loving it, really. Can't go wrong. What is this? Chinese? I think it is. Progress on me on day 3. I got a brace. I no longer have the foam thing. That still looks pretty nasty. But still here, waiting on physical therapy. They found one more fracture on the top of my arm. They said it should heal itself. So, and they found one more fracture on the under my right knee. So, but it's not as big, so they won't like do anything about it. Like they said, it should just heal itself. But day 3, still here. The more that I think about it, like the wreck, the head-on collision at 50 miles per hour, the other truck hitting me at 50 miles per hour, that's 100-mile-per-hour collision. Like, the more that I think about it, the more that I think about how lucky I was. That my reaction was to turn to the right, or to the left, sorry. So then the truck was still coming on my lane, so the truck hit the right side of my car, like the passenger side. So it wasn't like he didn't hit me, but I'll post some pictures. You guys can see how bad the right side of the car was, because I saw that, and in my head I was like, if I swerve to the right and go to the ditch, the guy wasn't coming straight on my lane. He was like moving from left to right. So even if I moved to the right, I was gonna eventually meet up with him. So in my head, I waited till the last second to see if he was gonna react, because in my head I was like, if I turn to the left, and try to swerve to the left, options are, is there a car behind him that's gonna hit me head on? Or if once I swerve to the left, he's gonna swerve back to his lane and swerve back to the left and still gonna hit me. So there were so many things going through my head in that split second, and I just waited. I remember waiting, and I just waited till the last second when I saw he wasn't gonna move. So I swerved to the left, and he hit the passenger side, and the passenger side is just gone. Even though there's a lot of blood on the passenger side, which is mine because I was the only one there, it would have been a lot worse if he would have hit me or if I wouldn't have swerved. So, day 3, eating. Grateful to be here. This is like day number 3 or something, but about to have my dinner. This is for like later and watching The Office. I can't complain really. Of course, I mean, even my phone's all dirty, but I'm alive. Happy to be here. And I will be, hopefully, when I recover, making more content, more car videos, more gaming videos. We'll be back. We'll get through this. This is day 3 or 4. I don't know. We got soft shell tacos. Watching Moana. Can't go wrong. Well, it is day 3 after the accident. Been here for 3 days. They just came in and told me that I will be released today. Hopefully, like I'm just waiting for equipment because they want me to have a wheelchair at home and a Hemi walker, which is like a little walker helper thing to get me from the bed to the wheelchair. So I'll be in a wheelchair for 6 weeks. But going home today, very happy that broken bones, face messed up, but I'm alive after a head-on collision. Super happy. So I will continue to try to make videos even though they're gonna look like this, like really bad. But just so happy that I'm going home today, day 3. I'll see if I can get a closer view of my view outside the room. But day 3, hopefully going home, get to see my family. I haven't seen my wife and my little girl and my kid, my son, in 3 days, and we've been FaceTiming, but it's just not the same. Like, you just don't see them, and especially after this, but whatever. I'm going home today. Super grateful, one day at a time. Thank you, guys.